Welcome to the F-Bound Podcast. I'm your host, Shannon Schroeder, Executive Function Coach. I help neurodivergent women learn tips and strategies to improve the life skills that will help them be successful. Neurodivergent-Friendly Wardrobe Organization Tips. Are you tired of staring at a cluttered closet, feeling overwhelmed and unsure of where to begin? For neurodivergent people, the task of wardrobe organization can be even more daunting. It is possible, though, that with a few simple tips and tricks, you can create a neurodivergent-friendly wardrobe that promotes organization and reduces stress. Neurodivergent people have unique ways of processing information and interacting with the world around them. As a result, traditional organization methods may not work as effectively. By incorporating your neurodivergence into wardrobe organization, you can create a system that is tailored to your individual needs and preferences. Creating a wardrobe space. When organizing your wardrobe, you want a space that accommodates your neurodiversity. Designing for diversity. When organizing your wardrobe, consider your needs and sensory preferences. For example, some neurodivergent people may prefer soft fabrics, while others may prefer rougher textures. In addition, consider if you have any physical needs for mobility or dexterity issues. Make sure that your wardrobe is easily accessible and that items are stored at a height that is comfortable. Innovative storage solutions. Innovative storage solutions can make a big difference in creating an inclusive wardrobe space. Consider using labels or color coding to help with visual processing issues so you can find items more easily. You can use dividers or organizers to help keep items in their proper place. For individuals with sensory sensitivities, consider using storage solutions that reduce noise or visual clutter. For example, you can use soft closed drawers or opaque containers to reduce sensory overload. Organizational strategies for neurodivergent people. If you're neurodivergent, you may find it challenging to keep your wardrobe organized. With some simple strategies, you can make the process easier and less overwhelming. Categorization techniques. Categorizing your clothes is an effective way to keep your wardrobe organized. You can categorize your clothes based on their type, color, season, or occasion. For example, you can have separate sections for your work clothes, casual clothes, and formal clothes. You can also organize your clothes by color, from light to dark, or by season, from summer to winter. Depending on your space, it might make sense to store items that are off-season. Removing items that you know you won't wear for months will help cut down on the clutter. However, if adding this task to your organization schedule is too much, it won't make sense. In that case, maybe just moving those items to one section off to the side where you can ignore them might make more sense for you. Visual aids and labeling. Visual aids and labeling can be helpful if you struggle with pattern recognition and organization. You can use pictures, icons, or symbols to represent different types of clothing. This system makes sense if your clothes are in a dresser or bins. If you don't see them, you don't know what you have. Label each bin or drawer with the contents. For example, you can use a picture of a shirt for your tops, a picture of pants for your bottoms, and a picture of a dress for your dresses. You can also use labels to identify the different sections of your wardrobe. Clear labels can help you quickly identify where everything is and make it easier to put things back in their proper place. Using these organizational strategies can help you maintain focus, structure, and productivity when it comes to managing your wardrobe. They can also provide the support and instructions you need to keep your clothes organized and easily accessible. Addressing sensory sensitivities. When it comes to organizing your wardrobe, addressing sensory sensitivities is a crucial aspect to consider. Sensory sensitivities can cause discomfort, anxiety, and even physical pain. Choosing the right lighting. Lighting can have a significant impact on your sensory experience. Bright or harsh lighting can be overwhelming and trigger sensory sensitivities. On the other hand, dim or warm lighting can create a calming atmosphere. When organizing your wardrobe, consider the lighting in your space. If your current lighting is too bright, consider switching to dimmer bulbs or add a lamp with a warm light. This can help create a comfortable and calming environment. Selecting comfortable materials. The materials of your clothing can also impact your sensory experience. Scratchy or itchy fabrics can cause discomfort and even pain for some individuals. Soft and comfortable fabrics, on the other hand, can provide a sense of comfort and security. When organizing your wardrobe, consider the materials of your clothing. If you have items made of uncomfortable fabrics, consider donating or selling them. Instead, opt for clothing made of soft and comfortable materials such as cotton or bamboo. Also, consider seams and tags. I can't tell you the number of tags I had to figure out how to remove without making a hole for my kids. The same goes with knowing which socks had good or bad seams because they would bother their feet. We often assume kids will outgrow this, but many don't. Capsule wardrobes. One thing that might help you minimize the clutter and disorganization is to create a capsule wardrobe. This basic idea is that you create multiple outfits utilizing a small number of items. This works especially well when you find an article that you really like. If you buy multiples in different colors, you can pair it with other items to create a wardrobe easily. If you don't know where to start for building a capsule wardrobe, I have included a link for a friend who also sells guides on Etsy. Time management and maintenance routines. Keeping your wardrobe organized can be overwhelming. However, establishing time and management and maintenance routines can help you stay focused, productive, and on top of your wardrobe. Establishing regular cleaning habits. One of the best ways to keep your wardrobe organized is by regularly cleaning it. Set aside time each week or month to go through your clothes, shoes, and accessories. Consider using a checklist to help you stay focused and prioritize what needs to be cleaned first. When cleaning your wardrobe, start by removing everything from your closet and drawers. Sort your items into piles based on what you want to keep, donate, or throw away. This will help you prioritize what needs to be cleaned and make the process less overwhelming. Once you have sorted your items, take the time to clean your closet and drawers, wipe down the shelves, vacuum the floor, organize your items in a way that makes sense to you. Consider using storage bins, hangers, and dividers to help keep your items organized. Obviously, this isn't something you need to do weekly, but seasonally is a good idea. Another part of a regular cleaning or organizing routine is to make sure you wash your laundry and put it away regularly. For many people, the putting it away doesn't happen regularly. Then it becomes a doom pile of clothes. Create a routine around your laundry to be consistent. Do it the same day each week. Set alarms and reminders. Setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals can help you stay on track with your wardrobe organization. Break down your cleaning tasks into smaller, manageable goals. For example, if you have a lot of clothes to go through, focus on one category at a time, such as shirts or pants. When setting goals, be mindful of your deadlines and prioritize tasks based on their importance. If you have an upcoming event, focus on organizing the items you will need for that event first. It is also important to take breaks when needed. If you find yourself getting overwhelmed or distracted, take a short break to refocus. Set a timer for 10 or 15 minutes and use that time to take a walk, do a quick meditation, or engage in a calming activity. Leveraging technology and tools. When it comes to organizing your wardrobe as a neurodivergent person, technology and tools can be incredibly helpful. Software apps for organization. The clothing app, formerly Closet Plus. This app allows you to take photos of your clothes and organize them into categories. You can also create outfits and plan what to wear in advance. The app is currently being redesigned, but you can sign up for the waitlist. The app will be available on both iOS and Android. Stylebook. Similar to Closet Plus, Stylebook lets you take photos of your clothes and create outfits. It also has a feature that helps you track what you've worn so you can avoid repeating outfits. Available on iOS only. Cladwell. This app is about helping you minimize your wardrobe. It helps you design capsule wardrobes based on what you own. The free version doesn't give you much, but it's enough to give it a try before paying a monthly fee. Available on both iOS and Android. Using technology and tools can help make wardrobe organization easier and more efficient, especially if you're overwhelmed by trying to figure out what to wear or how to put outfits together. By leveraging these resources, you can save time and energy while still maintaining a functional and stylish wardrobe. Having an organized wardrobe isn't something many of us often think about. Yes, we have to get dressed every day, mostly, but we don't think about the impact of making those choices. If your closet stresses you out, that means you're starting every day stressed out. It sets your morning up to be more stressed than it needs to be. Figuring out how to create a wardrobe system that works for you can alleviate a lot of that stress. Keep in mind, like everything else, it'll be a process. Take your time. The end will be worth it. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the F-Bomb podcast. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe below and check out my show notes to learn more about my Facebook group, courses, and membership.